Let's see how to use the Views section found on the left side panel of CYPE Architecture. When a new project is created, the program generates by default a series of views. A floor view at elevation level 0, 4 elevation views, north, south, east and west, and a 3D view. We are going to change the point of view to check that it really is a 3-dimensional view. To do this, from any floor view we simultaneously click on Shift and the mouse wheel and move the mouse cursor freely like so. In this case we can see that it is a 3D model with a camera positioned at a certain point and that it contains a work plane. To return to the original position of the view, we use the Alt+4 keys or click on the Go to Start Scene button on the top bar of the Views panel. Now we will create a new view with the Create button, located at the top of the View section. We select the type of view, Floor, Reflected Ceiling, Elevation, Section, Generic and 3D View. In this example it would be a floor view, which will need the elevation of the work plane where it is to be generated. If elements have not yet been introduced into the model, simply click on any point of the 3D view. Next, in the Data of the View window we can edit some of its features. The elevation level field indicates the height of the previously selected work plane on screen. This elevation level can be modified manually at any time. This value also modifies the elevation height of the grid associated with the work plane. By creating a floor view we are actually limiting the range of view of the BIM model. We can increase the range of view by modifying the distance to the top plane and distance to the bottom plane values. All levels previously created in the Architecture tab can have an associated floor view. In this way, objects entered onto a floor will automatically be assigned to the level associated with that view. If we have not associated any level to the new floor view, the program will carry out a search to detect whether there is any level that coincides with the elevation level of the floor view. If the program finds a level, it will ask if we want to associate it to the created view. If not, it gives us the option of creating a new level automatically to associate it to that floor view. When editing any view, the table on the right of the panel allows us to activate models from other disciplines and which are stored on the BIMserver.center platform. In order for BIM models from other disciplines to appear in this section, we must ensure that we have updated the project and we have the latest files uploaded by our colleagues. The last view that we are going to create is an elevation view. The creation of elevation and section type views is similar. First, we must indicate the line where the work plane will be situated, and then the direction of the view's projection. In all views, we can create a new start scene by simply clicking on the Save the Start Scene button, and each time that we click on this view, the Save Start Scene will appear. At any time during the modelling process, we can return to the initial position of the selected view with the Go to Start Scene button. Finally, we can manually define a new work plane for the selected view from the Define button, and even select an inclined work plane. To work on it, with the corresponding view selected, we will click on the Go to the Work Plane button